Horsepower Hobby. Welcome back to Horsepower Hobby. In today's video, we have a kind of unique car here. Something that we've never done before on the channel. It is a Hellcat Challenger. We're gonna have the owner tell you guys a little bit about the car, and then we're gonna go and hang out a little bit, maybe get it washed up and play and have a little fun in it. So here's the owner, guys.
Everybody know what it does and what it's about, but I kind of push it to its limits on an everyday basis. I mean, it's a daily driver for me, and also I like to drift it. Not so much of a track guy. Mine's 707, but one day I actually seen on the page where it showed the horsepower, and it said 720 one day.
Look what we have. It's the only key to drive with. Red key. That's all the horses, guys. So, need to ask the owner a question. Why is it that he has the SRT wheels on the actual car? Let him tell you.
They mostly my play wheels when I want to just spin for drifting, when I go to a drift track or whatever. But yeah, I still have my regular Hellcat rims. They're just in the garage, but these right here, they stick soft a little bit more, so that's why I put them on there.
You heard it for yourself, guy. He said these are the play wheels, so we're about to have some fun. Let's get to it. Now let's start it up and see what it sounds like. That sounds amazing. Thing rides pretty good, guys. Seems to be pretty torquey. Oh yeah, very torquey. So we're gonna let the owner take us for a little ride since he's kind of used to it, but let me feel that again. Don't really have a whole lot of room to play in it, so we're gonna get it out on some roads and kind of play a little bit where there's enough room that way we can just kind of have some fun. This thing sounds like it's a lot of fun. Definitely fun. That's a clean exhaust note, guys. That's the only way to have it. Yeah, I see what it's set for. 700 plus. Got the red seat belts, guys. It is an absolute must to do a pull under the underpass. Sounds so good. Gotta get a fuel, guys. You know this thing gets miles to the gallon. It just barely rumped down on it. It's pretty neat how this thing is just so high tech. It tell you all the information. But let's look at it again. pretty sick. He has some pretty good drifting skills there, yeah. I seen 590 horsepower on the thing. I don't know how much torque, couldn't read it. That's pretty fast. Got another little Easter egg, I guess. Going to go and take a look at a Hellcat, a Challenger instead of the Charger as well. So getting 2 for 1 today, guys. So guys, this thing's pretty sick. Just instant torque, instant horsepower. Just amazing what a supercharger can do. Yeah, this one has similar interior to the Charger, so pretty clean car, guys. So we're gonna switch out. We just swap from the Hellcat Charger and we're gonna swap into the Hellcat Challenger and take it for a spin. They don't like to drive with nothing but the red key, guys. So once again, 700 and something horsepower. So we're about to do a cold start up, guys. Absolutely ridiculous. Let's go for a ride. As you can see, it said that the red key is in use. That means all 707 horsepowers are unleashed. This thing sounds awesome. Check it out. Sounds real good. Thing's fast, guys, but once again, there's not enough room to really do something fun, I guess you could say. Not enough room to really play in it. So we're gonna try to, hopefully, fingers crossed, take this one somewhere to play in it as well. We may be able to, maybe not, I don't know. So as you can see, this one has the black seat belts in it. Pretty clean spec as well. Got the white stitching. It's pretty nice. Bad, guys. Don't take much to get it going. So we're gonna give this one a quick bath too. Get these cats all cleaned up. And then we're gonna take it for a spin as well. See what it's about.
A clean Hellcat later.
So that's another clean Hellcat. So we had to bring the Challenger back, but that was a fun ride there. Just a little short ride. Listen at it, guys. Listen at it. These things are beasts, man. They fast. So we were out having fun, guys, and the storm rolled in, as you can see. Done rained us out. You can hear thundering in the background. And we still managed to catch some good footage for you guys. This will more than likely be the end of this here vlog. If you haven't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button. Also like this video and hit the push notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of the awesome content that I come out with in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time.